Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Now I am starting from mineral number 135, which is orpiment. The habit of orpiment is commonly foliated and massive. The hardness is ranging from 1.5 to 2. Specific gravity is 3.48. Lustre is pearly. The color is lemon yellow. The streak is yellow. Cleavage is perfect. The fracture in orpiment is sectile. The occurrences are oxidized zone of arsenic minerals in veins and hot springs deposits. Number 136 is orthoclase. The habit of orthoclase is massive and granular, and the short prismatic flattened crystals in the crystal system. So the crystal system of orthoclase is short prismatic flattened and crystals. The hardness is 6 and there are the specific gravity 2.56. Lustre is vitreous to pearly. The color will be white to pink, also greenish or grey. Streak is white. Cleavage is perfect and fracture is conchoidal to uneven. The occurrences are essential constitute of acid igneous rocks common in metamorphic rocks. Number 137 is phlogophyte. So the crystal system of phlogophyte is pseudo-hexagonal, and there are the habit is common lamellar or plates. So we can say that the crystal system in phlogophyte is pseudo-hexagonal prisms, but the habit is lamellar plates, which are more common in phlogophyte. The hardness is 2.5 and specific gravity is 2.8, and there are the lustre is submetallic, or we can say pearly. Color will be pale yellow to brown. The streak is white, and there are the cleavage is perfect. The phlogophyte can be occurs in metamorphosed dolomites, ultra-basic igneous rocks. Number 138 is plagioclase. The family of plagioclase is feldspars. The habit is synthetic twinning, also massive and granular, and there are the hardness of plagioclase is 6. Specific gravity is 2.7. Lustre is vitreous. Color is white or grey. The streak will be white. Cleavage is perfect, and fracture will be uneven. And the occurrences of plagioclase are metamorphic and igneous rocks according to variety. See entry for variety names. So viewers, it is all about today's lecture. Let's wait for my next video for more information about minerals or the important distinguishable characters of minerals. Thank you.